Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a new brand that I haven't tried before. They're called ABH Cosmetics. They're a medical inspired brand, and this is their RX Mattescription palette, all matte shades. This is what the palette looks like. It's really cute. It's giving more so pastel vibes, but it does have a few like bright colors as well. On my eyes I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I've never tried this before. I've heard mixed reviews about it. Honestly, when I put it on, it has like a very wet, slippery concealer texture, but then when you let it sit and blend it out, it does dry down kind of like a concealer. So it's giving me kind of like a concealer type of texture. So going in the palette, I'm going to take this color called Vitamin Mint. I'm going to take this color on my Makeup Shack T88 brush. I'm going to place this color right above my crease in the front area here, and I'm just going to tap this in, and then I'm going to start blending this out. And it blended out pretty fast. I do feel like it's a little bit sheer though. I don't think it's as pigmented as I would like it to show up, but it's okay. It still looks really pretty and soft. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade called Multivitamin. I'm gonna take this color on my Makeup Shack T81 brush. I'm just going to add this color into the crease, just building pigment and tapping it in. And this pink is really bright. And I'm gonna start buffing it out and blending it into this blue color. Now going back with Vitamin Mint, I'm just going to add it back in here and help it blend with this pink color better so that there's a smooth transition of the two. I really like how it's turning out so far. I think the pink is a little sheer, still kind of like the teal color, but it does seem buildable because I was able to add more layers of it to kind of make it pop a little bit more than it was in the beginning. But yeah, so far so good. Everything's blending together really well. Now I'm going to go in with this color called Vitamin C, and I'm going to use this color to highlight. So I'm going to put it right about here on the arch of my brow. I'm just going to blend it down into the pink a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take this purple color called Viral, and taking this color, I'm going to place it right here on my lid near my lash line and kind of blend it into the pink. So not really showing up that much. I feel like it's not really making that big of a difference, but still gonna put it on here anyway. Now I'm going to do a cut crease, and I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. So I have some on my petri dish. I'm just going to use that to cut crease. Now I'm going to take that purple color Viral again, and I'm just going to like tap it in on the edges here, cut crease, which actually helps the purple show up a little bit more. And then I'm going to take this orange color called Fever, and I'm going to put this color at the front here. And I really like this color. Like, this one is really bright, and putting it on top of this cut crease kind of like makes it look a little bit more intense. Next, I'm going to go in with this white color called W.C.B, and I'm going to put this white color right here and kind of blend it up into the orange color. And this white is really sticking. I don't know if it's the primer, because sometimes white is really tricky to get to stick and look bright without it looking like it's basically concealer still. So this one is really sticking. Like it actually looks white. Now I'm going to take NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner, and I'm just going to line my lid. I'm not going to do a wing or anything. And now I'm just going to blend that dark purple color Viral into the liner a little bit, which is going to be hard to do because it already doesn't really show up. So I'm actually going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. I plan on doing a tutorial on this palette very soon, so stay tuned. I know you guys haven't seen this on my channel yet, but I'm actually going to take this black color called Beast and I'm going to mix it in a little bit with Believe. I know Anastasia's stuff is a little bit more pigmented, so I'm just going to use this to help me get this liner blended better. So I'm going to add that purple color Believe on top of the liner. And then add that black color Beast on top of the liner as well, but blending it into the purple. I think that looks a lot better. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to clean up all the mess I made underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, for the bottom eyeshadow, I think I'm going to keep it pretty simple and use like one color. So I'm going to go back in with the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette and I'm going to go back in with the color Believe just because it was more pigmented than the purple color in this palette, so I might as well just use this one. So I'm just going to put this purple all throughout the bottom of my eye here. And then I'm just going to blend this down a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in with this white color called W.C.B. and I'm going to put this white color in the inner corner of my eye. So just bringing it a little further down and blending it out. And now I'm going to take We Makeup's eye pencil in the color Obsidian Black. And I'm just going to kind of keep it kind of dark underneath here. So I'm going to put the black liner in my waterline, kind of smudge it down so that it blends in with the purple. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how this came out. This palette actually surprised me a lot. Although some of the shadows are sheer, they don't really build as much as I would like them to. I still feel like this is a really good palette if you want more of a pastel-y sheer type of look. Some colors though did fine, like the pink one that I tried did fine. The orange one that I tried did fine, but it was more so the purple and the light blue one that were kind of like more sheer. But other than that, I really love how it came out. I added like 2 little crystals here, and then I also use Coley Cosmetics lashes in the style Paris. So these lashes look really cute. I feel like they fit the look very well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!